Hi, Robert Bird, Product Marketing Manager with Atlona, and today I'd like to talk about our Omega CS31 series of presentation and collaboration systems. These systems consolidate capabilities such as AV switching, USB routing, audio mixing, amplification, and control into a single unit. So the three OME CS31 products we have available are the AT OME CS31 SA, which has 3 HDMI inputs for applications where the sources and the display are located close to one another. We have the -HDBaseT version, or HDBT, which has an extended input if you have a lectern in the classroom or a remote input at the back of the room. And we have the -C version, which has a USB-C input to reduce cable clutter by providing AV, USB, and powering up to 60 watts over a single cable to a modern laptop computer. Common features among the CS31 products are a 2x25 watt amplifier, DSP for audio mixing, and USB routing between 2 hosts and up to 4 peripheral ports. OME CS31 products also have audio integration capabilities specifically designed for schools. That includes ducking, which allows a teacher microphone to duck the program audio when they're speaking. We have public address muting, so if there's an announcement on the public address system, we'll also mute the audio. And lastly, a line output, so we can take all the audio signals and route it to an assistive listening system. To learn more about our Omega OME CS31 products, visit our website at atlona.com.